हेलो सब नेकम दोस्तों, क्या हाल है। मेरे ख्याल से बिल्कुल खैरियत से होंगे और मेरे चैनल को देख रहे होंगे। तो दोस्तों आज का चैलेंज बहुत मज़ेदार होने वाला है। तो चले दोस्तों आज का चैलेंज स्टार्ट करते हैं। हाँ तो दोस्तों ये क्या हुआ, मेरे पास लॉलीपॉप है और मेरे पास वो ये तो ऑनियन है। ऑनियन मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगता, पर क्या करें, खाना पड़ेगा। हाँ तो ऑनियन के साथ चॉकलेट बड़ी बुरी लगती है। हाँ बहुत गंदा जायका है। ये लो, हाँ मज़ेदार। ये लो इसके ऊपर डाल कर देखो। हाँ गुड आइडिया, तुम्हारा बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है। अब मैं इसको खाना स्टार्ट करती हूँ। हाँ ये तो फिर भी वैसा का वैसा है। हाँ क्या कर सकते हैं। हाँ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये। मेरा सब मुकल खराब हो गया। वाह यार मेरा बहुत मज़ेदार लग रहा है। हाँ तो लॉलीपॉप को मैं चॉकलेट के साथ ऐड करके खाना चाहती हूँ। हाँ तो चॉकलेट और लॉलीपॉप यम्मी, बहुत मज़ेदार है ये तो। सच्ची में काश के मेरी जगह पर मेरे पास एक आइडिया है। हाँ तो देखिए दोस्तों मैं क्या करती हूँ, चलो मैं उसमें ग्रीन टूथपेस्ट कर दूँगी मिक्स। वो देख सकते हो कि ये ग्रीन हो चुका है। हाँ तो बहुत मज़ेदार चॉकलेट की मैं इसके ऊपर और चॉकलेट ऐड करूँगी। हाँ तो देखो मज़ेदार। पर ये क्या, ये इसका वो जाएगा नहीं। हाँ इससे क्या क्या दिया। हाँ देख सकते हो ये मुझे नंबर। तो हाँ तो देख सकते हैं मैंने इसमें ये ऐड कर दिया है। हाँ तो दोस्तों अगला चैलेंज क्या है। वाह मेरे पास चिकन है, पर मैं चिकन को चॉकलेट के साथ कैसे खाऊंगी। हाँ तो मैं भी इसको तोड़ के देखना चाहती हूँ। तो ठीक है तभी देख सकती हूँ, पर ये दांत से बिल्कुल नहीं टूट रहा है। ये देखो, हाँ मुझे डर लग रहा है। देखो मुझे चोट लग गई। हाँ ये क्या हुआ, पर ये अभी भी नहीं टूटा। ये लो अब देख सकते हो, ये इसको ऐसे तोड़ा जा सकता है कोकोनट को। अभी मैं कोकोनट को चॉकलेट के साथ डिप कर देखती हूँ कि ये कैसा बना है। मज़ेदार, बहुत मज़ेदार चॉकलेट लग रही है मुझे तो। चॉकलेट मेरी फेवरेट चॉकलेट है ये। तो दोस्तों ये बहुत मज़ेदार है। चलो ठीक है। हाँ कोकोनट को देख सकते हो, मैं कोकोनट के साथ क्या करके आई हूँ। मज़ा आ रहा है म्यूज़िक सुनने में। हाँ तो ठीक है दोस्तों अब तुम्हारी बारी। मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता, पर क्या कर सकते हैं। हाँ मेरे पास आइडिया आया है। ठीक है तुम अच्छी लग रही हो वैसे सूजी। तभी मैं इसको काट कर खाना स्टार्ट करती हूँ चिकन को। ये कैसा चिकन है। तो दोस्तों मैं अभी चिकन को चॉकलेट के साथ डिप करके देखूँगी। तो दोस्तों क्या कर सकते हैं, मैंने अभी इसको इसके साथ डिप कर लिया।
Well, is it delicious?
Hey, you!
No, it's terrible. I'm not gonna eat another bite. Ow, that hurt! Why would you throw that? Take back your mess. How dare you?
What's the matter with
You wanna go? Let's go, Missy. What have you done? Now we're covered in chocolate. It's your fault. You're the one who started it. I did not. You hit me first. Peppers? Are you kidding? No. There's no way I'm eating these. Check out my popsicles. They're all different flavors. I'm over the moon. These would rock even if I didn't need to dip them in chocolate. But I do. Amazing. If only it were still summer, these would really hit the spot. Monica, you can start on your peppers. Gee, thanks for the permission. I would have never thought to start without it. How is it that you're eating popsicles and I have peppers? No! This isn't fair. Whatever. I'm brave. Oh, hot. I'm burning up. Help me. I need to find a way to cool down. Give me one of those. Huh? Is it really that hot? You have no idea. It's like my mouth was on fire. Good thing I have a cold dish. Yay, finally something delicious. Donuts. Things have taken a turn for the worse for me. What ugly little fish. They stink so much it's impossible to even get close to them. I say you eat first. No, you! Don't argue. Just get to your fish. Crap. Apparently I have no choice. Oh my god. Fish is my least favorite food, so this is gonna be actual torture for me. Just thinking about this turns my stomach. Ew, chocolate only makes it worse. Ew, ew, ew! This is impossible to eat. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I have so many donuts. Lucy seems distracted. This is my chance to get rid of the fish. Cindy, I heard you have a kitten here, and cats love fish, so I brought him lunch. Wow, thanks. Fluffy will love these. Yummy. Whoa, you ate them all already? What did you expect? I'm the great and mighty Lucy after all. Go ahead, eat your donuts. Can do. I'm dying to find out what they taste like covered in chocolate syrup. I hope it lives up to my expectations. How wonderful. I've never tasted anything better than this, ever. Hey! Yeah? Can I try it too? Just one bite. No, there isn't even enough for me here. How rude. I thought we were friends. But okay, if you don't want to share your donuts, then I won't share chocolate with you. I'm gonna drink it all. That was really, really filling. Hey, where's all the chocolate? I don't understand. Lucy, give it back. As you wish. What the heck? Why would you do that? That's what you get for not sharing. And I'm taking this too. What terrible behavior. Cool, I love chips. Why did you get chips and I got pickles? They don't go with chocolate in the least bit. I'm already anticipating how disgusting this will be. Ugh, revolting. There's no way I can swallow this. I won't eat anymore. That is too horrible. Wow! I won't be saying that because I'm gonna fill my chip can with chocolate and then voila, I'll turn them into chocolate chips. I learned this little trick from some of the others from multido food. Wow, teach me too. No, it's a secret. Plus, I have no time to chat. There's a whole mountain of delicious chips in front of me, and you want me to waste my time teaching you. Maybe I'll at least try one then? I'll just snag one. Huh? Nuh-uh, I see you. And these chips are mine and mine alone. Ugh, so greedy. Well, ladies, are you pumped? Can we start already? Hello. Hi. Hello. Thanks for finally showing up, but I'm still bored. I'm sticking with doom scrolling. Your attention, please. You have brushes and a subject. But painting the normal way is enough to bore you to tears. Am I right? Am I interested? I think you're right. Let's find out what you'll be drawing. Don't be fooled by this empty plate. Give me a moment, and voila! Here you are. Ew, I don't like radishes. Gross, what's that? Oh, crap. You don't have much time, so get started. Wow, girls, You are so fast, it's just about impossible to keep up with you all. It's important to try and capture the right proportions, and that I can do. Hurry up, time is running out. I'm not doing well at all. I'll do my best, I just need to be confident. I have no talent for drawing. This is horrible. Oh, Jess, this is so cool. I need to stop her. I'll just steal this and she won't be able to paint anymore. And the finishing touches. Where'd my paint go? It's nowhere to be found. Did I really lose it? And there is less and less time left. I have an idea. I used Monica's makeup. The color is perfect. That's a great idea. And now the time has come to an end. Finish drawing. Then pick them up and show me your work. Faster. Here's mine. Not bad, Mary. Yes, he likes it. Rate my work as well. That's just great. Bravo. It's so nice to hear that. Monica, what is that nightmare? It's no good. I'm so upset. Well, that means this radish is deservedly yours. Enjoy. Darn it, what a lame day. I couldn't draw it, so now I have to eat it. Ugh, it tastes so disgusting. Monica, you're so funny. I agree, 100%. What do we do now? Wow, what an amazing milkshake. Guys, I see you're all so delighted. Let me check the quality of this treat. Wow, it's divine. So, time's ticking, guys. Draw quickly and beautifully. Every second counts. Don't forget that. I'm sure I'll do the best. I'm so clever and skilled with colored pencils. No one can beat me. Susie is good at this. How's Jill doing? Jill draws well too. What do I do? Zach, you're really working hard, but it's not clear yet what you're doing. Maybe you can clue us in? Don't bother me. I'm making art. There's no need to distract me. Wow, okay, creator. I'll leave you alone for a while. Thank you. Besides, I'm almost done. And soon everyone will be able to see my art. I just need to add a little of this. And for beauty, I'll also sprinkle this whole thing. Zach, you're very creative. That looks super realistic. Okay. Nicely done. Oh yeah. I can even stick a pencil in it. It looks like a straw. Admire my brilliant work. That's really cool, Zach. I'm more impressed with myself. I tried really hard, and the results more than suit me. I agree. It didn't turn out badly. I don't like mine. They turn out to be boring. I can use shaving cream. Zach, be a friend and give it to me, please. Okay. Of course, Jill. I'll help you. Let's do this to create the effect of realism in your drawing. Thank you very much, Zach. And I've got something else. I don't think a little more decoration will hurt. Now everything is perfect. That's it. Time's up, guys. I'll judge the results. Stop drawing and show me what you got. I can't wait to see. Crap, my drawing is running. It's all because of this stuff. Why didn't I guess that would happen? Jill, you're out right away. That's terrible. I'm such a loser. Yes, my plan worked. Hilarious. I'm good. We have 2 applicants left. Which one of you should I give the win to, though? Look, mine's perfect. Wow, bravo, Susie. You win. I can't believe it. This is so cool. What? But my milkshake is better. And here's my giant dessert. I'm finally gonna try it. It's so tasty. Well, there was no doubt about that. Wait a minute. What's going on? It seems that someone decided to drink your milkshake without asking. What are you doing? How dare you? I'll never forgive you for this. Take that. I'm so mad at you. Oh my god. That's a twist. Zach, you look ridiculous. You deserve it. Girls, this time you hit the jackpot. You need to draw delicious ice cream. I'm sure it's worth fighting for. But just to be sure, I'll give it a try. Oh, it's amazing. So I'll start the clock. Quite a battle is about to begin for that lovely ice cream. And I'll try a little more. Hey, you've had enough. This is for you. I'm going to enjoy this. Ugh, it's disgusting. Someone give me paint instead of ice cream. Who did that? Mary? Monica? Who? Oh man, I barely started and it already looks awful. All's good in the hood with me. I'm happy with my work. Well, your time is up. Present what you've managed to draw. Hey, the ice cream's already melted. What? That's not fair. This sucks. Yes, but the winner still needs to be determined. Monica, your drawing is bad. Jess, yours is much better. And finally, Mary. Yours looks the most like melted ice cream. Take it. Don't be upset, guys. I had no idea it would work out that way. But still, this is mine. I'll take a straw and get to it. What a smart move. Wow, it's so tasty. I'm so jealous. Yeah, you should be. Guys, I have a whole bucket of Nutella for you. Man, that's heavy. There's no limit to their glee. This might just be the best round yet. I'll take a little sample. Oh, delish. Nothing better than chocolate. I think I got carried away. Your time has started. Let this battle begin. You guys are going down. I forgot how much 2 plus 2 is. Guys, don't waste time. Start. This is not going well at all, but I won't let anything stop me. I'll just add the inscription Nutella here. Jill, what are you up to? You'll see. I need scissors. I'll cut this out carefully and stick it right on this jar of paint. The color is just like our prize. I'm a genius. I'll see how Susie's doing. Oh, she's got a cool drawing, but I won't let her win so easily. Take this, Susie. What? Zach, that's not fair. Now you've made me angry. If you ruin everything for me, I'll ruin everything for you. Oh no, my masterpiece. How could I possibly save this? While they're painting, I'll make myself a sweet treat. It's so delicious. Hey, I have an idea. Now it will be a drawing of Nutella on bread. There's always a way out. Zach, you're making me mad. I'll actually have a solution to the problem. Zach, you're making me mad. I actually have a solution to my problem, though. That's how I put my drawing in order in a playful way. I got so carried away that I forgot about the time. Guys, show me your work. Check out mine. Pretty smart, huh? Not very accurate. There's a whole bucket here, and you have a small jar. It won't do. And my drawing? It's the coolest. Not exactly what was required, but not bad, Zach. Here's my excellent work. Don't jump to conclusions, Susie. Who should I choose? Okay, I've got it. Take your prizes. Well, I got a snack. And I got a whole bucket of Nutella. You're both very lucky. Susie, dig in. What? It's empty. What's the point of a bucket without Nutella? Sucks to be you, Susie. Here's the real prize. These are the most delicious slices of bread in the world. I'm in heaven. And if I put them together, it'll be even more amazing. That
ہاں تو یہ بہت ٹیسٹی ہے، مجھے بہت اچھا لگا ہے یہ بالکل بریڈ اینڈ چاکلیٹ. مجھے بھی چاہیے بریڈ اینڈ چاکلیٹ. مزیدار ہے یہ تو. مزیدار. میں اپنی چاکلیٹ کو بھول گئی تھی. میں چاکلیٹ کو کھانا اسٹارٹ کرتی ہوں. مزیدار. بہت مل رہا ہے پر بالکل عجیب سا ذائقہ ہے اس کا. میں جا رہی ہوں خود کو دوستوں ہمیں کیا تو ہم تو اپنا ٹھیک ہے ہم اپنا اگلا چیلنج اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں. تو دوستوں اگلی ویڈیو میں آپ سے ملاقات ہوگی. تب تک کے لیے اللہ حافظ. اور میرے چینل کو لائک کریں, سبسکرائب کریں اور زیادہ سے زیادہ شیئر کریں. اللہ حافظ.